The ink is dry on the laws they write, calling the darkness a brilliant light. The goodness is poison, the evil is praised, while the masses look on entirely dazed. But up is still up, and down is still down, whatever the rule of the court or the crown. Drunk on their evil, behind their locked doors, they're counting their gold and plotting their wars. Surrounded by iron, guarded by steel, they think that their kingdom is perfectly real. They whisper in secret, who can see what we do, forgetting that heaven is looking right through. There is no vault that can hide from God's eyes. Their Creator Almighty is destroying their lives. For they sow the wind, the corrupt and proud. Now God's whirlwind is speaking His judgment aloud. No wall will be high enough, no fortress so deep. The harvest is coming for the secrets you keep. Right is still right, and wrong is still wrong. The line has been drawn, and the hour isn't long. Every hidden act, every paid for curse, every system of evil across the universe, it's weighed in the balance. The ledger is clear, for the King of all kings is soon coming here. Yeah, the King of all kings is soon coming here. Floodwaters rise and shadows grow tall, guarding our hearts, refusing to fall. To do justly, love mercy, walk humbly with God. To us is our life, but to them it's an iron rod. Pure in the fire, clean in the light, walking in holiness, fixed in His might. The battle for goodness still fights for what's right. Evil will fail under His